I start in the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Hello listeners and dear students. I hope you are enjoying good health. Today's topic is vowel sound. We are going to study diphthong vowels. And today's sound is A. If you are watching my channel Learn English with Qamar, please subscribe my channel. Dear listeners, it is vowel chart. It is front part of the tongue, it's central part of the tongue, it's back part of the tongue. We have discussed in previous videos that what is function of front part, central part and back part. So when sound produced, we use back part of the tongue, central part of the tongue and front part of the tongue. So it is imaginative picture of our tongue. So go ahead. So it's again the chart of vowel sound, oo sound, a sound. So these all are symbols of short vowels. So as I told you, today we are going to study vowel sound. So we study a. So this sound collides towards a sound. A sound collides towards a. So the sound will become a. So look this picture, starting with a as in pat, and then tongue rises just a little to a as in pitch lesson sound. So as I told you, a e, a e, a. So look at this position of front lips, a, and the sound is produced in middle of the tongue, in this part, a and a. So the air will come from our throat, a. इस जगह से हवा आएगी और यूं आगे जाके रिलीज हो जाएगी और हमारे जो लिप्स की पोजीशन है वो स्लाइटली होगी. एग्जांपल्स देखते हैं हम. अगर if we study examples, here a sound is produced, a letter is producing a sound, like take, it's arrange, it's late, it's tape, it's amaze, it's change, it's shape, stimulate, populate. A और I मिलकर साउंड बनाएंगे a. aim, rainbow, vein, gain and plane. And these words a and y will produce a sound. Pay, gay, tray, not tray, tray, betray. So here EIGH and AIGH is producing a sound. Wait, age and straight. So in this way you can repeat and practice this sound. A, very important sound, like plate and gauge and plate. Just we study examples in sentences. The train at 8 was very late. We left the station with frustration. So the bold letters are producing a sound. Betrayed and amazed, we aimed hastily, but the chain walk better. We patiently waited in vain for our favorite table to become vacant. To name our child with an ancient name, some may consider insane. All the favorite cakes that Jane had made were placed on trays. You must pay and pay if you are going away on the train. Dear listener, in this way you can practice your a sound, or you can take more examples and you can practice this. So in this way, diphthong sounds are very important in our producing good accent and for our pronunciation. Thank you very much for watching today's lesson. I hope you understand and you enjoy this. Please subscribe and share my videos. Thank you.